Hi guys, welcome to the Tech Maker. Today we gonna show you what is TPM 2.0 and why is a requirement to install Windows 11. Before Microsoft released the new system, few people paid attention to TPM, Trusted Platform Module. Now, lots of users are wondering what a TPM is since Windows 11 is forcing them to use TPM 2.0. Now, we'll discuss about this tiny chip and shows you why Windows 11 needs TPM 2.0. What is a TPM? According to Wikipedia, Trusted Platform Module, TPM, also known as ISO/IEC 11889, is an international standard for a secure crypto processor, a dedicated microcontroller designed to secure hardware through integrated cryptographic keys. The term can also refer to a chip conforming to the standard. How does TPM work? The TPM chip will communicate with other security systems within your PC. The fingerprint reader, Windows Hello Facial Recognition, or any other security systems must confer with the TPM before allowing users to access to PC. A unique code called a cryptographic key will be given by TPM whenever you try to log into your computer. If no problem is detected on the computer, your computer will be started successfully. In contrast, if your PC is at risk for sure or potentially, it will be locked down to prevent any accesses from hackers or malicious people.